Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 21st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, a little bit of a pullback for Palantir today. So down 23 cents, 1.79%, closed at 12.59. Post-market, we are at 3 cents above. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So on the face of it, 1.79% down. This looks like it's bad, but it's not that bad. We had 4 green candles last week, and we broke outside of 1237, which was support on January 28th, also on January 24th. And now we are just back onto that support. So the low of the day is 1242. Compare this to 1237. This is just a pullback above support. Nothing to be too scared of for now. What is the wish is that we are going to remain above 1237 and use that as a springboard to start going and testing the two resistance at around 1480. Let's go see the 1 hour charts. We opened right here, went all the way up to 13 bucks, then came down. Second hour, nice green candle. Third hour, did not know what it wanted to do. Then fourth hour, we came down almost to where we were at the second hour, but not quite. So that's good, just a little bit higher. And then for the remaining time, this was pretty much sideways action. In terms of indicators, 67 stochastic, still in play above 60. MACD crossed over bearish. MACD crossed over bearish, but we can still hold 1237. RSI above 50, and DMI is still looking good on the 1 hour chart. Let's go see the daily chart. So stochastic at 86, very strong again. MACD broke over bullish. RSI 53 and DMI, it was getting a lot closer, but then there's a little bit of a delay here. So the distance between the two lines is increasing a little bit, but nothing to be scared of. So let's just watch 1237. Let's hope that we are going to keep that. This is the new channel that we are in. Worst case scenario is that we would be going back around 1082. But let's hope that we don't do that. Let's hope that we stay above 1237 and that the stock picks up steam a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I want to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.